Hi, this is Mark Woehrle, broker at Remax Escarpment. We're here today at 3 Marcus. This awesome 2-level bungalow has 3 bedrooms upstairs, 3 bedrooms downstairs, 2 kitchens, multiple entrances, garage, and parking for 5 cars and more. Let's take a closer look at what this home has to offer. Thank you for visiting us at 3 Marcus on the West Hamilton Mountain. If you have questions about renting, buying, or selling your home in Hamilton, please give me a call. My name is Mark Woehrle and I can be reached at 905-512-1846.